There were 5,000 construction workers apparently building this 26-acre size structure, but you cannot find any photos anywhere of the construction, and you would think to such a major event this would at least be very well documented, somehow at least. This is of course achievable. Of course the workforce could have done this, but the sheer scale and work is immense. We have to remember that this was the 1850s. Yes, there were some incredible inventions, hydraulics were available, but electricity was not. This is another questionable structure. Was this already in the location? The building had over 6 million people pass through it, and it was made of glass, so this structure would have had to have been very safe and well built, and to build in 1 year is absolutely shocking.